Smiling. No. Why is it good to smile? Who will benefit from that? Well, the simple answer is everyone will benefit from that. The whole world will benefit from a smile. Yeah. So to imagine what happened when two hard things just meet each other, go boom. What a clash, yeah? Things will get broken and heat will be produced and the noise of two hard things, But imagine one of them is soft, yeah? And when the hard meet the soft, what happens? The hard will go, hey, what is it? Yeah? What is it that I just met? How do you do it? How do you become so nice and soft or gentle? It's so nice to meet you. I want to learn, yeah? And then two soft things will meet and an incredible dance can happen between them. A merging and a learning and a blending. And what a richness. And all this a smile can produce. So it's really, really, really important. It releases all sorts of chemicals in our body and turn our life to be so much richer and nicer and softer. And so just remember to smile to yourself. When you look in the mirror, smile to yourself, say, hey dear, how are you doing? When you meet people in the street, in the elevator, as you go out from your house, people in the shops, people at work, say thank you and smile, not just a twinkle. Look at these two expressions, see which one you prefer, yeah? Look at this one. Or this one. Which one makes you feel more comfortable? Want to see it again? Or this one? Which one do you prefer to meet? When you look in your mirror, no? Which you do you prefer? This one or this one? When you talk with another, yeah? What sort of face do you prefer to see, to mix with? So that's just a smile. Such a simple movement of the muscle of the face. So easy to do. And you can practice it if you don't feel like smiling or you think your smile is not nice enough or whatever. Yeah. First it's a nonsense. But then you can practice, stand in front of the mirror and practice smiling until you get a perfect smile. Then you put a little smiley on your door before you go out so you can see it. Remind yourself, remember to smile. Yeah? Smile to your family members, smile to yourself, as I said. And let's spread smiles and all the kindness that comes with it. All the softness and the hope and the encouragement. There's so many wonderful things. So, smile, yeah? And the world will smile at you back. And then you smile at the world. And what a wonderful thing. So look after yourself, after the gift of life that each one of us is. Do good things. Bye-bye.